Welcome back to TechMirror, the best OBD2 scanners with ECU coding to buy in 2026, helping you diagnose and program your vehicle like a professional mechanic. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a technician, these tools will upgrade your garage. Make sure to watch till the end for the top picks and features. Links in the description. Stay tuned and enjoy watching. Number 5. The Launch X431CRP919XBT OBD2 scanner is a powerful and highly advanced diagnostic tool designed for both professional mechanics and serious car enthusiasts in 2026. As an upgraded version of the CRP919X, it delivers significantly improved performance with faster navigation, smoother operation, and enhanced stability thanks to its upgraded processor and expanded memory. The Android 10 operating system combined with a bright 7-inch touchscreen makes the user experience intuitive and efficient even during complex diagnostic tasks. One of its standout strengths is the wireless THINKCAR 7 VCI, which allows true cable-free diagnostics with fast and stable data transmission. This makes it far more convenient when working around the vehicle. It also supports modern communication protocols such as CAN-FD and DOIP, ensuring compatibility with newer vehicles including GM, Chrysler, BMW, Jaguar, Land Rover, and Volvo. The ECU Coding feature is especially impressive, offering customization options, hidden function activation, and professional-level adaptations for multiple brands. With more than 35 reset services, it covers essential maintenance functions like oil reset, brake reset, throttle adaptation, and many more, making it suitable for daily workshop needs. Its Bidirectional Control capability allows users to actively test components such as fans, windows, relays, and injectors, giving real-time control over vehicle systems. The All-System Diagnostics function provides deep access to nearly every module in a car, ensuring accurate fault detection and repair guidance. Overall, the Launch X431CRP919XBT is a reliable, feature-rich, and future-ready diagnostic scanner that offers excellent value for workshops and advanced users seeking professional-grade ECU coding and diagnostics in one device. Number 4. The ANCEL DS500BT Bidirectional Scan Tool is a highly capable and thoughtfully engineered automotive diagnostic scanner designed for both professionals and advanced DIY users. Built on a smooth Android 10 system, it delivers fast boot times, clean navigation, and responsive performance without unnecessary software clutter. The 7-inch display is clear and easy to read, making it suitable for long diagnostic sessions in workshop environments. One of the strongest features of this scanner is its powerful bidirectional control capability. With more than 3,000 active tests, users can command components such as fuel injectors, pumps, windows, and fans while observing real-time responses. This removes guesswork from diagnostics and ensures accurate confirmation of repairs, which is essential for modern vehicle troubleshooting. The ANCEL DS500BT also includes over 28 professional service functions, carefully designed based on real workshop needs. These functions cover essential maintenance tasks such as oil reset, brake reset, battery management system registration, throttle adaptation, DPF regeneration, gear learning, and injector coding. This makes it a versatile tool for everyday repair work across multiple vehicle systems. With CAN-FD support and full system diagnostics, the scanner is compatible with a wide range of vehicles from older models to modern cars, including many post-2018 vehicles. It can access key systems such as engine, transmission, ABS, SRS airbags, and climate control, providing deep insight into vehicle health. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity adds convenience by removing cable restrictions and allowing movement around the vehicle during testing. Combined with lifetime free updates and real-time technical support, the DS500BT offers long-term value and reliability. Overall, the ANCEL DS500BT stands out as a powerful, practical, and future-ready diagnostic tool that delivers professional-level performance with strong usability and excellent feature coverage. Number 3. The THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT Bidirectional Scan Tool is a powerful and modern automotive diagnostic device designed for professionals and advanced users who want dealership-level functionality at an affordable cost. Built on an Android 10 platform with a quad-core processor, it delivers smooth performance, fast response time, and stable multitasking through its 8-inch touchscreen display. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced technicians. One of the most impressive features of this scan tool is its bidirectional control capability. With more than 3,000 active tests, users can directly command vehicle components such as injectors, pumps, windows, and fans to verify proper operation. This greatly improves diagnostic accuracy by allowing real-time confirmation of repairs instead of relying on assumptions. The THINKSCAN 689BT also supports ECU coding and customization features, enabling advanced functions like adapting replaced components, adjusting factory settings, and activating hidden vehicle features depending on compatibility. Alongside this, it offers 34+ maintenance services including oil reset, brake system bleeding, battery registration, steering angle calibration, and injector coding, making it highly useful for daily workshop tasks. With full system diagnostics, the scanner can access major vehicle modules such as engine, transmission, ABS, SRS airbags, and more. It also supports modern communication protocols including CAN-FD and DOIP, ensuring compatibility with newer vehicles and expanding global coverage across many brands. Wireless updates eliminate subscription fees and keep the device current, while FCA AutoAuth support allows access to protected systems in newer FCA vehicles. Combined with fast processing, wide compatibility, and professional-level features, the THINKSCAN 689BT stands out as a reliable, future-ready diagnostic tool that offers excellent value for workshops and serious automotive enthusiasts. Number 2. The VDIAGTOOL VD80BT Bidirectional Scan Tool is a high-end automotive diagnostic scanner designed for professional workshops and advanced DIY users who demand speed, precision, and full system control. Built on a smooth Android 10 operating system with an 8-inch touchscreen, it offers a responsive and modern interface that makes complex diagnostics easier to manage. The wireless design adds convenience by allowing technicians to move freely around the vehicle without being restricted by cables. One of the most powerful features of this tool is its intelligent topology mapping system. It visually displays all vehicle modules and fault codes in a clear, organized layout, allowing users to quickly identify issues and significantly reduce diagnostic time. This feature alone brings dealership-level efficiency to everyday repair work. The VD80BT also excels in bidirectional control with more than 4,000 active tests. This allows users to directly command vehicle components such as fuel injectors, fans, pumps, and sensors while monitoring real-time responses. This makes it easier to confirm repairs accurately instead of relying on assumptions. With over 42 maintenance services, the scanner supports essential functions like oil reset, brake bleeding, battery registration, throttle adaptation, crank sensor relearn, and injector coding. It also includes advanced ECU coding and PMI functions, enabling module replacement, system customization, and programming support for various brands including Ford, BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen. Full system diagnostics provide access to all major vehicle modules such as engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. Support for CAN-FD and DOIP protocols ensures compatibility with modern vehicles, while FCA AutoAuth allows access to secure systems in newer FCA models. Overall, the VDIAGTOOL VD80BT is a powerful, feature-rich, and future-ready diagnostic scanner that delivers professional-grade performance, making it an excellent investment for serious automotive technicians. Number 1. The TOPDON VD80BT Bidirectional Scan Tool is a professional-grade automotive diagnostic scanner built for technicians and serious DIY users who need advanced control, fast performance, and wide vehicle coverage. Powered by Android 12.0 and equipped with a large 10.1-inch touchscreen, it delivers a smooth and modern user experience with excellent responsiveness. The interface is clear, making complex diagnostics easier to understand and manage in a workshop environment. One of its most impressive features is the OE-level Topology Mapping system. It visually presents the entire vehicle communication network, allowing users to quickly locate faulty modules and understand how systems interact. This significantly reduces diagnostic time and improves accuracy, especially when dealing with complex electrical issues. The scanner also supports advanced bidirectional control, enabling active testing of components such as injectors, lights, fans, and pumps. With this capability, users can directly command vehicle systems and verify repairs in real time, eliminating guesswork and improving efficiency. With more than 50 service functions, it covers essential maintenance tasks like oil reset, brake bleeding, DPF regeneration, throttle adaptation, and tire pressure system reset. It also supports ECU coding and hidden feature activation for brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen, allowing customization and module replacement with professional-level precision. Additional highlights include J2534 pass-through support for OEM software integration, auto VIN identification for faster diagnostics, and full system scanning across engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag modules. Advanced guided functions and security gateway access further expand its capability on modern vehicles. Overall, the TOPDON VD80BT stands out as a powerful, future-ready diagnostic tool that combines speed, intelligence, and versatility, making it an excellent investment for automotive professionals seeking dealership-level performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful on the best OBD2 scanners with ECU coding to buy in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive tech reviews. Check the links in the description for product details. Let us know which scanner you prefer or already use. Stay tuned for more updates and comparisons coming soon. Drive safe and see you in the next video.